In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your logo to your Shopify store step by step. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refresh your store's branding, adding a logo is a vital part of making your online presence uniquely yours. So, let's dive in and get your store looking professional in just a few minutes. First, you'll want to start by navigating to your Shopify dashboard. This is where you'll manage all the aspects of your store, and it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this area if you haven't already. Once you are at your dashboard, look for the My Store section on the home page. You'll be able to see a broad overview of your store's activities and settings in this area. Next, direct your attention to the Settings option. You'll find this by looking towards the bottom left of your dashboard interface. It's typically represented by a gear icon, ensuring it's easy to locate. Clicking on Settings opens up a menu that allows you to tweak various aspects of your store. It's like the command center for your Shopify experience. Now that you've made your way into the Settings menu, navigate to the General tab. This is where you'll find an array of options that govern your store's core details, including where you can set the name and logo for your business. As you look through these options, you'll notice an area allocated for your store logo, generally located near your store name. This is exactly where we'll be focusing our work today. Here comes the exciting part: uploading your logo. Right next to the store name, there's typically an upload icon. Click on this to start the process of adding your brand's personal flair. This will prompt a file browser window, allowing you to choose the right logo file from your computer. Make sure that your logo file is clear and of high quality, as this will represent your brand to all your site visitors. It's generally a good idea to use a PNG file with a transparent background to seamlessly integrate it into your store's design. Once you've selected your logo, click on Open to upload it to your store. The next step is crucial. Ensure you click Done to finalize the upload process. If you accidentally skip this step, your logo won't appear, and you'll have to redo the selection. Finally, the last step is very important: saving your changes. After you've uploaded and confirmed the new logo, make sure you hit the Save button. This ensures that all your changes are preserved and that your logo is part of your store's live settings. And that's all there is to it. By following these instructions, you can easily enhance your Shopify store with your own logo, adding a touch of professionalism and personal branding. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.